Let's install Dynamic Island on POCO M8 5G. So right now, as I'm recording this video, we still have HyperOS 2, and in some cases, once these phones get HyperOS 3, they also get Xiaomi Hyper Island, which is like Xiaomi's their own Dynamic Island. But if you don't want to wait, and if you wish to have your own Dynamic Island before the update, then of course we can go to search over here. And we can search for an app that allows us to get the Dynamic Island. So let's just actually type Dynamic Island in here. And as you can see, we have many different apps that we can use quite easily. In my case, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to install this app and I'm going to show you how to set it up. And in case you don't like this app or it doesn't work for you properly, feel free to try any other app. So once we open the app, we should be able to tap on the next. There we go. Then we have the list of things that we need to do. So first let's tap on select apps, and over here we need to choose apps that will be displayed on the Dynamic Island. So you can choose one by one individual apps that will be showing up with the Dynamic Island, or you can just tap on all in the upper right corner. Now after that we're gonna go to notification access. So we need to tap over here, then go to dynamic spot. There we go. And we need to allow notification access. Now over here we need to select that we are aware of possible risks, and after 10 seconds you can use this red OK button. There we go. Now we have draw on screen, so let's tap here, and we need to set the battery saver to no restrictions. And let's go back, then tap again on the draw on screen and go next. Wait a couple of seconds, go to downloaded apps, choose dynamic spot, and enable the dynamic spot in here. Once again, select that you are aware of possible risks, and after 10 seconds we can use the OK button. There we go. Now we can tap on done. If you see this premium offer, we can just close it by using the X in the upper right corner. And that is technically it. But before we actually move on, what you can also do is you can go to position, and over here we have the preview of the Dynamic Island, and it is slightly mispositioned. So I'm gonna slightly move it up maybe to match it with the camera. It is actually a little bit too tiny, so we can make it slightly bigger. There we go, something like this. So we can move the Dynamic Island a little bit. We can change its position and the size. Let's also make it a little bit wider, because why not? There we go, and we can make it look pretty much perfect, like it is intended to be here. So there we go. In case you want to manage notifications or apps that can be displayed using this dynamic spot, then of course we can just go to notifications in here. Of course you might see some ads in the meantime. And we can go to apps in here, and then of course you can manage the list of apps again. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.